Sri. I am from 7th edition. Wish you all a happy Dasara. Day 6, Bhuvaneshwari Devi, the goddess who governs this universe. This reminds devotees that responsibility, balance, and care for the world are important. Students can connect this to education by managing time wisely, balancing study and play, and helping classmates. Andhra traditions include offering fruits and flowers and showing respect for creation. This teaches that responsibility and balance bring harmony in learning and life. Once again, wish you all a happy Dasara. Thank you.
ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्